Hello, let me show you how to check warranty data in OPPO Reno 2 by using IMEI. First you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website, and when you are here, just enter your IMEI number and go for captcha protection. And click on check. There you go, you can see whole specifications about your device, and if you want to check the warranty data you should choose info and country check, then click it, check OPPO warranty and country. Now you need to wait 10 seconds until whole specification is provided. There you go, you can come up with plenty of very useful information about your OPPO Reno 2. Here you can check the warranty period, and here whether the warranty is valid or no. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.